welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I am back with our Glam bag for the month of January 2024. This is our cute little bag here. This bag is $14 a month plus $1.99 shipping and handling plus tax based on where you live. And guys, I know I am late with this bag because sis started a new workout plan, and for the last 3 weeks I've been working out every day and I've been tired. So I apologize for my tardiness with my videos lately, but I'm exhausted. I can't do everything. So it's like I'm doing like a exercise and diet challenge that's like 21 days. So I'm just wrapping that up this week, but I've been exhausted. So y'all haven't seen me because I've been tired, but I want to come on. I want to do my video and show you guys what I got. So let's get into this thing. So this is our cute little bag for the month, and our card here for the month is right here, and it says glow your soul. So that kind of goes with our little shiny sparkly bag here, which is happen to be like my favorite colors, which is purple, that purple lilac kind of color, which I really like. Inside our card we do have some information about our products inside, so we're just going to get right into this thing and get started. So let's see what the first thing in our bag is. I really like this bag. It's cute. It's a bit much, but it's cute. It's my kind of cute. So our first item, guys, is I have a, looks like Violi is the name of the company. I may be butchering the name, so please forgive me. But this is a Ditto Violi Makeup Fix Spray. This is a setting spray. So this spray, guys, says set it and forget it. It says it seamlessly and easily blends your makeup and locks it down all day and all night. Now, I like that. Now, if it does what it says, that's great. So this is our product here. This is a deluxe sample is what they're considering this. The regular value of this product in its full size is $19. So, of course, because why not spray it? It says it's a setting spray. I need all the help I can get, right? So we're trying it out right now. Nice light mist. We'll see. That's all I can say. Until I wear it, I don't know how well it's going to do, but you know, I like it in setting sprays, and I like that I've been getting so many different ones to try out, so that's great. But yeah, I think it's Violi is the name, and again, this is our deluxe size sample of the setting spray. Basically, set it and forget it. So let's see what else is in our bag. Oh, all right, guys, we have a first aid beauty product. So we have the, what is this one here? This is the Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. This is a sample size. The regular version of this is $24 for the regular full size of the Deep Cleanser. But this says the days of worrying about your next breakout are over. It says this daily cleanser helps purge the skin and balance sebum production thanks to the red clay and the rosemary leaf oil. Oh, I like that. So this prevents breakouts. I like that a lot, because I get random breakouts. I don't break out. I just get like a pimple that shows up here out of nowhere. Even if I'm eating clean, I still get this pimple. And especially around that time of the month, or when that time of the month is about to start, you get them breakout pimples. So I hope this does what it says, but I'm going to definitely try this out and see how this works on my skin. So let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got a palette. Okay. So we have the Lucky Chicks Daydream Eyeshadow Palette. This is a full size, guys. This is valued at $20, and it says Lucky Chick Daydream Eyeshadow Palette, and it says the eyeshadow palette of your dreams has arrived. The 9-pan collection features a range of shades and finishes from neutrals to stunning metallics. So let's take a look, guys. I like a good eyeshadow palette. Well, I like getting eyeshadow palettes every month anyway, but so that's our packaging. I think that's very nice. And it has no mirror, so I have nothing to fold down. So these are our shades, guys. These are say anybody can use this palette, definitely. I can't say it's the eyeshadow palette of my dreams, but it's definitely workable. But it's kind of, meh. I don't know. I don't see anything outstanding, but I haven't tried it yet. So I do need to play with it first before I said meh. But it's just like the colors are just like regular shades. I don't really see anything outstanding in here that I haven't seen anywhere else. But yeah, I think this is a nice size palette. I can't wait to see how it performs in terms of the colors and how they come out. But that's our palette of the month by Lucky Chicks, and it says this is the Daydream palette. So let's see what else is in here. All right, we have a eye cream, guys. This is Verify, and as you know, you don't need a lot of eye cream. You just need like a little dot on your fingertips and rub them together and go under your eyes. But this is Verify Skincare 2020 eye cream. This is a deluxe sample, and it says the regular version of this costs $64. Oh my god. Oh wow. So Verify Skincare, they said this is the do it all eye cream. It uses a cocktail of hydrating, firming, and brightening ingredients to help minimize dark circles. So I think that's good for pretty much just about any of us. But yeah, I'll give it a try. Wow, I can't believe it. Regular one is $64. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, so let's see what else is in here. So the next thing I have a eyeliner. Sis loves a good eyeliner, let me tell you. So this is Less Beauty lip line. Oh, it's a lip liner. It's not an eyeliner, it's a lip liner. Okay, so this is Less Beauty lip liner and Espresso Martini. And this is a full size. This is valued at $18, and it says creating the perfect pout has never been easier. This is a retractable lip liner. It boasts a rich pigment, dusty rose color, and an easy to twist up pencil, and it also delivers 8 to 12 hours of wear, which is great. Okay. All right, so I got it out. It's plastic finally. And Lower East Side is what it has on the side of it. And it's a creamy lip liner. So let's twist it up. And that's the tip, guys. And on the back of my hand. Ooh. This is red. This is not like an espresso. Did they send me the right color? This is not like an espresso martini to me. This has more red pigment. And I was thinking it was going to be more like a brown color, but this is like a red. I still think it's nice. I can use it, but I was thinking it was going to be like a brown, and it's more reddish. Okay, that works. So I can't wait to try that out, but at least we got to see what the color looked like. So this is like a reddish kind of color here, instead of what I was thinking. You say espresso martini, I'm thinking brown. But no brown. So we got a nice reddy color here. So overall, let's run through our bag real quick. So we have this lovely lip liner here, made by Less Beauty. We have the Violi setting spray here. We have the Verify Eye Cream, the 2020. We have the First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser. We have the Lucky Chicks Eyeshadow. And that is our bag. Those are the 5 items in here. I would say this bag is okay. I like getting eyeshadows and bags. That's like my favorite thing. But we got a skincare, and 3 makeup items. So I say that's a good bag for me. I think that's pretty much. I think I'd rather have the makeup a little bit more than the skincare, but I do love getting skincare as well. That was my bag, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do post weekly. I love to show you guys what I am getting in these boxes and sharing my experience with you. If that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.